Sometimes when you are faced with a challenging time, that's the time to reform and come out successfully. Our farmers, despite the small holding, India of the big countries is a net exporter of agriculture.
In a sense though, Professor Gulati, is this a time and opportunity for Indian agriculture to reform? Given the challenge, as I said, that exists from US agriculture, there will be opportunities. Do you believe that a debate should start on agri reform, or do you believe it's a political hot potato that no one will touch after what happened to the government's earlier plans for agriculture reform?
I would say the reforms in agriculture are overdue, and it was good to see after President Trump's tariff threat and so on and so forth, when he had raised it to 50%, Indian government got into action and did a lot of reforms of GST and doing ease business and so on and so forth. So, sometimes when you are faced with a challenging time, that's the time to reform and come out successfully. And I think Modi government has done pretty good coming out of this 50% tariff. Our exports have not dropped drastically, no hue and cry on that front. And our growth rate has sustained unexpectedly more than what perhaps any economist, or at least I never expected 7.4% growth rate in GDP would be there. And they have achieved that. So we have to give some credit whatever they have done in the face of these challenges.
Sir, but farming in India, I come back to the agriculture point. Farming in India remains largely unmechanized, small fragmented land holdings. They don't have very little scope for large machinery. US farms, cutting edge equipment, even now AI-driven technologies. How will I come back to the mismatch? There are many who fear that we are entering a trade deal which could be one-sided. Do you believe these fears are exaggerated?
These fears are exaggerated. I think our farmers, despite the small holding, have been we are on agriculture basis, we are exporting about $6 billion to US, and our imports for last year it was $2.5 billion. This year perhaps it could be $3 billion. So we are a trade surplus even in agriculture with respect to US. And think about whatever stringent conditions of SPS and other things are. Our shrimps have been going, $2 billion is shrimp exports. And overall, to the global market, India's exports of agriculture are $52 billion and imports are $37 billion. So we are a net exporter.